In this sample problem, it says to classify the substances shown below. On the left-hand side here, I notice that I have these two open circles bonded together, and then I have two open circles and one filled-in circle bonded together. So if we look at this first piece I know is an element. I know that this is an element because I have two of the same thing bonded together. Remember in the notes, I said that if it's two of the same thing bonded together, that's a diatomic molecule, so that would be considered an element. It has two of the same types of atoms, so that would be like O2 or N2. O2 is just oxygen, so that's still an element. Whereas if we have one, or if we have more than one different thing bonded together, then that would be considered a compound. So here I know that this is a mixture because I see some different things in here. So this is a mixture. It's a mixture of a couple of different things. So we see a mixture of both elements and compounds. All right. On the right-hand side, there's three different things that I see here. So first, I see these filled-in circles that are alone. I also see open circles that are alone. And I see one filled in and two open circles bonded together. So here I have, this is one element. Here I have another element. And then here, because there's more than one different type of thing bonded together, there is a compound. So this is also a mixture. And this is a mixture of elements and compounds also. But here we see these elements on this side look different than the element that we saw on the left-hand side.